Okay, so I moved to Thailand. My gosh, must be, how many years ago is that now? Well, Lucas is 13 this year, so it must be 19 or 20 years ago. And I moved to Bang Tao Beach, and still, in my opinion, the nicest beach in all of Phuket. I used to get up in the morning, run along the beach, run back. And I remember the first year that I was here, I decided to go island hopping. And I was walking along the beach, and I walked up to a tour counter that's right on the beach. Just happens that that tour counter was run by my now wife, Lisa. And I booked some private tours. I booked my first private tour to PP, and the second private tour I booked to James Bond. Now, back then, even then, the kind of talk amongst the locals on the beach was that group tours were overcrowded and there's too many people, and you really wanted to see the islands, you should go for a private tour. Now, I have done group tours here in Phuket. I've done PP and James Bond all by group tour, and I would 100% agree that first experience I had of a private tour was really what made me fall in love with island hopping around Phuket. Now, I will say though, but the concept of private tours about 15 to 20 years ago is very different to what we operate here in FiveStar Marine. Back then, a private tour was about just taking a private boat, but following the same program. So I remember on the PP tour, we went to Monkey Beach and we went to Maya Bay, and I do feel that I was overwhelmed with the amount of people at each stops. And on board, there was no English-speaking guide. It was just a Thai captain and Thai engineer. So as I had this experience, it started to ravel in my mind and take off in my mind that I could probably at least do 1% better than the tour that I was on. And so over time, I fell in love with Lisa. I asked her to marry me. Now, if you're going to ask me how many times I asked her out before she says yes, I think her story would say something like 10 to 20 times before she even said yes to me. Once we were married...
Sorry, I have to jump in at that point. It wasn't 10 to 20. It was at least 30 to 40, I think. Anyway, carry on.
You talked to her.
Good
you
story,
just saw her in a cafe, so
anyway, carry on.
Better than I.
You're doing good. I like this.
And so anyway, her family owned a tour shop on the beach in Bang Tao, in front of what's now known as the Sai Laguna Resort. But back then was Outrigger, and before Outrigger was just Phuket. I think it was just Phuket Bang Tao Beach Resort. Anyway, there's a tour shop there, and I used to go and sit in the tour shop with Lisa in the afternoon. I would work online in the morning and go sit in the afternoon. And what I found is that a lot more customers were talking to me, and I was starting to book private tours for them, explaining to them the benefits of a private tour, exactly like we operated here in FiveStar Marine. You can design the tour, you can take the boat as you like, you can miss the crowds, you can see spots that are less popular, you can spend as much time as you like at each spot. These were the things that I was talking to them about. And what happened was that over time, we started to sell so many private tours, and I was back then out there on the boat every single day, and Lisa was in the tour office. We decided that we should buy our very first boat, and this was Lucus 1. And that was even before I was here at Phuket Boat Lagoon. Our very first pier was Bang Rong Pier. Actually, if you go searching through Google, you'll see some posts from maybe 15 years ago about Bang Rong Pier and how we used to board from Bang Rong Pier, and there were monkeys on the pier and things like this. And that was a Lucus 1. And we sold all our tours back then directly in the tour shop. We didn't have a website, we didn't have social media or anything like that. And over time, we've been able to develop these things. We don't have the tour shop anymore. We still have the land down there, but we don't have the tour shop. We went from Lucus 1 to Lucus 2, and then through COVID, we built the entire fleet. And now, what are we at now, Jay? I have no idea. Lisa something?
20 million, I think.
Lisa 20 million? How do you even put 20 million on a boat?
Lots of zeros, mate.
And so that's the basic, I suppose, premise of how FiveStar Marine started. But I think, the key in this video really is, how did the idea of what we're trying to do come about? And really that was just about me going on group tours, me going on private tours, and seeing in the private tours, I felt like they needed to be able to customize it a little bit more. I felt like they needed an English-speaking guide on board to help really bring the program along. Otherwise, you're just renting a boat to go on the same program as that same boat operates the next day on a group tour, which ideally is not what we would like to do. So one of the things that I was really wanting to do here at FiveStar Marine was to offer our guests a customized version of every single tour. So you might book a PP tour with us, but the PP tour I operate today for you will be different to the PP tour that I operate tomorrow for someone else, because each person has a different desire. Some people want to do more snorkeling, some people want more beach time, some people want to spend a lot of time at Maya Bay, some people just want to take a photo and move on. And that's really what I think a private tour is about. It's not about just the vessel. I also think it's about the experience on the vessel. We want to make sure that the guide customizes the program, the stops are customized, and we don't want to be doing the same thing every day. And I think that's one of the exciting things about working here at FiveStar Marine, is that every day is slightly different. I do say, like, our business is a lot like a chess match, in that, okay, we understand the board, we understand the pieces, we know where they need to move, but we're reacting to the other side. So we're reacting to you as the guest and adjusting how we move based on what you want and what you need. And I think that's the real key thing. I think when you think about a private speedboat, it really can't be about the vessel. It really needs to be about the experience and the program. And that's, when I say private, that's what I mean. I'm not meaning just a boat that can go on a group tour program with no one else on it. I'm meaning a truly customized experience for you, your partner, your family. And I think that's one of the reasons why we do a lot of special occasion tours here. We do birthdays, anniversaries, honeymoons, because they're really looking for that really unique, customized experience and something to take home from Thailand that is different to what everybody else can experience. So one of the things that when you buy a boat that you realize is that you can name it. And for a long time, I had no idea what I was going to call my boats. And I'm very lucky that I have a son. His name is Lucus. And I really felt like this business I was building was something I was building for my family. And I wanted a reminder every single day that I would go to the pier and I would see my boat, that I was doing this for my family, I was doing it for my kids. So the very first boat we called was Lucus 1. Now, in Thailand, they have some very weird rules, and Jay's dog's just climbing on a box. It looks very cute. Thailand has some very weird rules where there's a certain number of boats that we can put the name Lucus on. So by the time we got to Lucus 15, we had to come up with a second name, which, keeping in the family theme, I moved to Lisa, which is the name of my wife. Now, this is one of the cool things, is that every single day I'm seeing an update. Hey, Lucus 1 is here, Lucus 10 is here, Lisa 3 is here. And it's just constantly reminding me, this is a family business, this is something I built for my kids. And I really want to keep that core to how the business works. You know, you come to the pier, you'll see my daughter, you'll see me. During school holidays, Lucas will be out, and now, you know, Uncle Jay is part of the extended family.
Hello, I'm Uncle Jay.
So you'll see Uncle Jay on tour, and then you've got his kids, and then you'll see his dogs at the pier. If you see the big one, her name is Mischief. You see the new puppy, which probably not going to be a puppy by the time you watch this. Name is Trouble, but that's the kind of thing, is like, we really wanted to keep this as a unique family style experience, not something that's corporatized. And that's something that we've really refocused on in the last year or so, which is how do we incorporate that family feel into what we're trying to deliver in terms of a private tour for you. So when you book a tour with FiveStar Marine, you can know that you're not joining us just as a guest, you're actually joining us as an extension of our family. It's something that I think about quite a lot, is that most private tours are about 8 hours on the water. So you're 8 hours on a boat one-on-one with my guide, captain and crew, and they're swimming with you and snorkeling with you and experiencing everything that you're experiencing. And as part of that, quite a lot of our guests, they get quite close and friendly with our team, and they feel a lot of trust and respect and mutual, well, hard to say it, love. And so what I would say to you is that booking with a company like ours is different to any others, because we're really wanting to make sure that we do the best we can to make you happy, like the same you would if you've got you know, like if you're Australian and someone from Thailand comes to visit you, you want to take them to your favorite restaurant, you want to take them to your favorite beach, you want to take them, you know, camping where you used to go camping, because you want to give them that truly Australian experience. And I think our Thai team here are here about trying to give you the best Thailand experience based on what they know. And that's also one of the cool things about each guide's going to have a little slight difference to the other guide, because it's their personality, it's their experience of Thailand that is shifting how you'll experience it as well. So if you're on one of our private tours, drop through our office. I sit downstairs, quite often got my headphones in because I'm replying to your WhatsApp chats, but come in, say hello to my daughter. She's at the front desk. Pat the dogs if they're here. Don't worry, they don't bite, but they do cry a lot, as you can hear in the background. And really experience.
Hold on, Shaun, don't experience nothing. This is trouble, by the way. You can probably hear him. He's only young. Anyway, carry on. Experience what?
And I really think that is the key, is that the key word here is experience, not tour. What we offer is a 5-star marine experience, not a 5-star marine tour.
That's right, mate. Are you done? What do you mean, darling? Me or the dog? Oh, Shaun's got all sweet. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and
Bye-bye.
subscribe. Love you. Book a tour now.